If you can't find the LT equivalent of your LabTutor lesson in the ADI collections, in this video we'll look at how to convert content from LabTutor to LT. Open the LabTutor folder containing the lesson to convert. You'll see the LabTutor experiment file and a folder with the same name. Within the folder, you'll see that images, settings files, and the instructor's material are arranged in different folders. You'll also see a list of lesson pages. Open the first page of the lesson. Log into LT and select the course where you'll create your lesson. You'll be adding example data to the lesson later on, so remember to change the course setting to allow this. Add an access code. We'll choose 0000. Select Lessons in the course card, and then select New to create a new lesson. Now let's start the conversion. Select the pencil icons in the header to name the lesson, and the page. In LabTutor, there are page items, for example, a block of text or an image. And these correlate with panels in LT. Now you can skip adding page items and panels and just drag content directly into LT. For example, to copy text over from LabTutor, highlight the relevant text and drag it straight into the LT lesson. You can change the size of the heading text with the heading text buttons, add bullet points, or numbered lists. To add a pop-up, highlight the word that you want to link to the pop-up. Select the Insert Pop-up button. You have two options here. Smaller blocks of text can be copied into the Summary pop-up box. Larger blocks of text and images can be copied into the full screen pop-up window. To see how this displays for students, simply select Preview Mode and test out your Summary pop-up and the full screen pop-up. To continue authoring, select Exit Preview. To place an image, select an image from the relevant image folder. Drag the image into the screen and release it over the cog icon that appears. You'll be presented with different image options. In this case, I just want a simple image. You can select and drag different panels to arrange them on the page and resize them using these handles on the side of the panel. Copy the appropriate text into the image caption box to complete the page. To create a new page, select Pages, and then New Page. Now let's recreate some questions. You will find the questions and associated answers in the instructor's material. Highlight and drag your question over to the LT page and release it over the cog icon that appears. You'll be presented with a range of question panels. Choose your panel type. In this case, I want a text question. I want students to be able to check their answer immediately, so I will select Instant Feedback, then Set Answer, and enter my feedback. Select OK to exit the panel. Alternatively, you may choose to change the question type to something a little more interactive. For example, the same question could be turned into a multiple choice question. Add new answer choices by selecting Add Choice or by pushing the Enter key. Now let's look at data acquisition and settings files. You first need to open the .labdat file in LabChart 8 and save it as a settings file. If you have example data, then you can export an example data file as well. From here, you can easily drag the settings file into LT. In this case, I want a data sampling panel. To add my example data, change the panel to Instant Feedback, select Set Answer, and find the example data file. Then change the panel back to No Assessment. To view the example data, enter Preview mode, hold down the Shift button and select Start. Then select Use Example Data. Enter your access code. Your example data will be displayed. You can add background information by exiting Preview mode and selecting this book icon at the top of the page. Finally, to add a report page at the end of the lesson, navigate to Pages and select Create Completion Page. If you don't want to show students a report, deselect Show Report.